Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for this quick episode. I'm just updating you with our Kings Thumper Max. So, the short story, we bought it just over a year ago and it wasn't really used within that 12 months because we didn't go camping to use it with the airing up of the four-wheel drive. The first time we did, we noticed that we turned it on and these caps basically just blew off. They just unscrew and that just blew off. These all flew out. There's 3 little holding screws on the bottom there that weren't even tight. In addition, this wasn't clamping on. So again, outside the warranty, just over 12 months, and they decided they just throw one that was out the back off a second-hand one that's obviously come back for whatever reason, overheating, whatever. So the second time we used it, coming back from a camp trip up around Barrington, we got to our, I think, 4th tyre here on the Triton here, and it threw the caps off again. The worst thing from that point was these bolts vibrated loose. Everything basically vibrated. These ones vibrated, so that all vibrated off. We didn't know that at the time. It was under the front of the car. We were at the back trying to do the rear tyre. And this basically went snap through itself. The cast came off and the piston was just there rotating frantically. So we raced up, obviously turned it off as quick as we could. Made a point back at Kings that, I get it. It's over warranty, out of the warranty period. So they said basically you just have to put a claim in, which I just wrote in with photos, and just showed them the condition that, the second attempt to get it to work still failed. And they just said, look, it's wear and tear, we can't do a thing. So welcome to Kings out of warranty service. I mean, after spending thousands on all the gear, you can see, and the sunroof. No, not your sunroof. What am I talking about? Your solar panel. So the Kings products out of warranty is a bit of an issue. So I went and basically Loctited everything, got rid of the hex bolts and put in proper stanos, fix them with Loctite. Everywhere it's got Loctite on it now, on the base. So I'm giving it 24 hours to dry, and with a bit of luck that should be fine. So not really a big complaint about the Kings itself, it's just this particular product, because I've never had any issues with all that stuff that I've had over the years. It's just one of those things where it wasn't tight in that factory, and I guess putting a bit of Loctite and washers on products might make all the difference. So just go and check and get things looked at before warranty runs out. Yeah, so that's pretty much all, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.